Butler.
What the dog doing?
Luol Deng throws it up the butt.
Kyrie, a wizard with the ball. By 7, Harden.
6 points for Butler.
Trae Young against Jones. Blocked by winding down. Final 6 seconds. It's a steal by Butler. Racing ahead of Coley.
What the dog doing?
This team in scoring again. Steal. Here he comes.
Sees that little shot fake and then gets it to go. But here's where Jimmy's elite.
What the dog doing?
Beautiful night in Miami.